How to use a Shark Navigator Lift Away. Turning the upper cable hook allows you to remove the entire cord in one go. This hook keeps the cable out the way. This red button is a power switch. Step on the front of the machine to recline it and the brushes start spinning. With the brush roll activated, the Shark Navigator Lift Away can deep clean carpets and rugs. By turning your wrist left or right, this allows a Shark Navigator to steer around obstacles. When going from carpeting to a smooth floor, all you need to do is press the red button. This turns the brush roll off so you can then vacuum smooth floors. Using the accessories on the Shark Navigator Lift Away is also very simple. By pressing this red button, you can then use it in handheld mode. Press this red button to use the extension wand. Pick your accessory and then you can start cleaning. You may find that the machine falls over in use. Press this red button on the side and the unit lifts away. You should now find it easier to use the small accessories. Once you're done cleaning, it's time to empty the bin. To do this, you unclip the clips on either side of the machine. You can now remove the bin. Take the bin outdoors. Press the purple button on the bottom and the trapdoor falls open. Close the trapdoor against the edge of your bin. Open up the lid to see if there's any hair or blockages wrapped around the cyclone. Put the bin back on the machine. Secure the clips on either side of the bin, and that is all. In case you ever get anything jammed in the brush roll, turn the machine off and then unplug it. Turn the unit over and check for anything obstructing the brush roll. Remove any hair wrapped around the brush roll to keep your Shark working at its best. You can now plug it back in. Turn it on, and the brush roll should start working again. Filter maintenance is very important because otherwise your Shark will lose suction. To do this, you take out the sponge and the pad filter, unclip the exhaust filter cover on the front, followed by the HEPA filter. Take all 3 filters to your sink for washing. Wring out as much water as you can from the filters. Now here's the best way to wash the bin. Start by opening the lid, fill it partially with soapy water, close the lid, give it a shake and then empty. Make sure all the parts are completely dry before refitting back into the machine. Use the cable hooks to store the cable away. To store the Shark Navigator Lift Away, grab on the door handle or the doorknob, press it down or turn and the door will then open. Place the Shark Navigator Lift Away on the floor. Thanks to gravity, it will prevent it from lifting away. You can now get back to relaxing. Well done for learning how to use a Shark Navigator Lift Away.